Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Turbo. I have to sneeze quite often, so I'm just preparing you. I'm warning you. I'm a little bit sick this morning, but I had to cover Turbo. All right, it's super bullish. We have a ton of volume and momentum, and I think we have a chance to go for all-time highs. So wanted to do a quick update here. It probably won't be a very long video, but there are some things we need to talk about. And the first thing, excuse me, and this is also the main thing that I was looking at regarding Turbo in the last 2 weeks or so, because the first time we hit this level was actually the 19th of September. But that was this level right here at 0.7 and 0.68 cents. Historically a very strong resistance level. You might say, well, no, the stronger level is actually up here. And that is true. This level right here between 0.75 and 0.8 cents is very important as well. But it's historically, it's very much this level right here at 0.68, 0.7 cents, that if we're able to break above that and hold it, then we can actually turn bullish, right? So for example, you can see the 22nd of July, we managed to break above that, but we did not manage to hold it. And then we also initially actually found resistance there. So far, I have pretty good hopes for Turbo. Now, this coin is historically quite manipulated, right? So I would be careful with it. But if we just sum up everything that's going on right now, so what you have, first of all, on the 12-hour time frame and the daily time frame, is a big bullish breakout above 0.68 cents. And here you can even better see how respected that level is. So that's technically bullish. Then we have a lot of open interest, a lot of momentum coming in, which is also making higher highs from the last time we were at these levels. So there's no imbalance. This would even be an argument as to why we would actually rally up higher than the last time around. Then Turbo has a lot of volume. It almost sounds like I'm being paid to say this, right? But that's not true, unfortunately. No, Turbo has a lot of volume as well. The volume is still increasing. And if you compare that volume to the all-time highs, it's still relatively low. But if you compare that volume to the last time we were at these levels, it's also higher. So there's also no imbalance there. And then in general, meme coins are just very strong still. Meme coins are the strongest, together with ordinals, the strongest narrative in the entire market right now. So those are all bullish factors. So the only reason why I would tell you to be cautious on Turbo is that we have already rallied a lot. All right, so the risk reward here is not amazing. The risk reward down here was much better. So you should in general still be careful. I mean, last point of time, even though the volume and the momentum was lower back then, this turned into a big fake out. So that is certainly a possibility. But given everything we see right now, and another thing, Bitcoin is also relatively bearish, right? So that could also be something that's not great. But Bitcoin has been relatively bearish, at least on the lower time frames, for the entire last 24 hours or longer even. And that hasn't stopped Turbo. So I believe the all-time high spiked up at like 0.95 or 1 cent. I think we can get there. All right. So that's this target right here. I think as a price target, that is very much a possibility. But as confirmation, I would say we either need to hold this level at 0.7 or we need to get some sort of a breakout above 0.8 cents. Both of those would be confirmation to actually get there. And I would say, given everything we see right now, I'm not sure if I will trade this. I'm not sure if I will buy this. But given the circumstances and given all these bullish factors, I would say this is most likely. So be careful. If we drop down below 0.68 cents, this is going to be a major bull trap and a lot of people will get liquidated. But for now, this looks most likely, purely objectively seen. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.